Hi, and welcome to NEXD. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find campaign and creative analytics inside the NEXD Campaign Manager platform. From the campaign list, you can view your campaign's key performance metrics, including impressions, engagement, and click-through rate. To dive deeper into your data, click the Analytics button next to the campaign. On the Campaign Analytics page, you'll see a campaign overview. Click the arrow beneath each metric box to reveal more detailed information. You will also find emissions and data savings insights powered by Scope 3. These metrics help quantify the environmental impact of your optimized creatives, making your campaigns not only effective, but also sustainable. Scroll down to see summary performance by ad type. From the upper menu, you can select the date range and choose a specific creative. At the top of the page, you'll find all major metrics for the creative: impressions, viewable impressions, engagement, click-through rate, clicks, and viewability. You can also customize which metrics appear on the comparison graphs. The engagement rate graph highlights how users interacted with the ad. The interaction timeline gives insight into when those interactions happened. Hover over the graph to view specific data points. The performance data table breaks down metrics by date. Hover over the numbers to see event counts alongside their percentages. The events list shows layout-specific interactions. Hovering over the numbers shows the percentage of served impressions for each interaction. To download or share your insights, you can download the full report, schedule reports to be emailed at regular intervals, or generate a shareable link to your campaign analytics. If you need any help, feel free to reach out using the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner or send an email to support@nexd.com.